So we have crown, cron, and cran. Next we have the Irish for a hill, which is canúint. Canúint. That's the way it's pronounced in Munster. And in the other two dialects, it's crook. Crook. Next, labba. So there's not a whole lot of difference between the Munster and the Connacht way. I would say labba. You might get a pronunciation like liaba in Connacht, but there's not a whole lot of difference. But in Ulster then, liabi. Liabi. Next we have the Irish verb críochnaigh, which is to finish. Críochnaigh. So I'm pronouncing it the way it's pronounced in Munster. Críochnaigh. In Connacht then, we have more of a silence at the end of that word. It goes like this. Críochna. Críochna. And in Ulster, creeny. Creeny. So quite a difference there in the three ways of pronouncing that, as you can see. Next, críochnaithe, which is finished. Críochnaithe. So that's the way it's pronounced in Munster. Críochnaithe. In Connacht then, críochnaí. Críochnaí. In Ulster then, it's tríniha. Tríniha. Moving on to the verbal noun, ag canna. This is singing. Ag canna. It's pronounced ag canna in Munster and in Connacht. But in Ulster, it's more like ag canú. Ag canú. Because very often the ADH in Ulster makes an oo sound. Next we have the Irish verb doig, which is to burn. Doig. In Connacht, doughy. Doughy. And it's the same in Ulster. Doughy. Moving on to scríobh. So in Munster and Connacht, this verb, which is the verb to write, by the way, scríobh, it's pronounced scríobh in Munster and Connacht, generally speaking, but in Ulster, scríú. Scríú. Next we have greenver, which is the Irish for sunny. Greenver. So I'm pronouncing that the Munster way, greenver. In Connacht then, it's greenwer. Greenwer. And it's very, very similar in Ulster, greenwer. So there's more of a V sound for the Munster way, greenver, and more of a W sound at the end for the Connacht and Ulster way. So greenwer for Connacht Ulster, greenver for Munster. Next, granúr, which is the Irish for funny. Granúr. I'm saying it the Munster way. In Connacht, it's more graunúr. Graunúr. And in Ulster, granner. Granner. Make sure you check out this website